Sa huling episode ng CyberChat Season 2, let us underscore the need for cooperation and synergy in combating cybercrimes. Ang pagtutulungan hindi lamang ng iba't ibang sangay ng pamahalaan, kasama na ang simbahan, eskwelahan, mga NGOs o civil society at ang mga kabataan ating aalamin. Ang mahalagang ugnayan nito in co-creating safer cyberspace for children and the young, ito ang ating pag-uusapan. Dito lamang sa CyberChat Season 2 Ender.
Kasama ninyo sa kabuluhang talakayan. CyberChat Season 2.
Cyber Synergistic Day, chatters! I am your host, Attorney Kath.
A very pleasant day, everyone. Ito po ang inyong katropa, Attorney Praise.
Together, we raise awareness on cyber threats
and on our duty to protect, safeguard, and care for our children and the young.
Isang malaya at mapayapang araw po sa ating lahat. Attorney Praise, alam mo ba na ito na ang last episode ng CyberChat Season 2?
Oo nga, Attorney Kath. And this is my 4th episode. Ang bilis ng araw, hindi ko na malayan. Last episode na pala ng Season 2. Mamimiss ko ang CyberChat.
No, you won't miss it. Mga ka-chatters, alam niyo ba na Attorney Praise will be continuing on her hosting job for CyberChat Season 3. Actually, ako ang makakamiss ng CyberChat.
And we will surely miss you, Attorney Kath, while you are on your season break.
Pero break lang naman at papasyal-pasyalan ko din naman kayo. I'm sure CyberChat Season 3 will have more surprises for our viewers.
Yes, but before we talk of Season 3, Attorney Kath, let us end Season 2 with a strong message.
This week's episode, #Cooperation and Synergy in Co-Creating a Safer Cyberspace, will showcase the cooperation and synergy of law enforcement agencies and cooperation and synergy among international counterparts in combating cybercrimes.
And speaking of cooperation, today we will be highlighting the need for a multi-sector participation by adopting this whole-of-nation approach as we combat cyber threats.
We are capping Season 2 with a strong message of collaboration, cooperation, and unity from all sectors of society in co-creating a safer cyberspace.
Kami po ay magbabalik
dito sa CyberChat Season 2.